thought you were going to make me wet.
No, just hold it like that. See, you can see the because it's so easy. Wait lang, you just like a you don't need to even press it. You just put on your oh, you just put on your why ka naman? Let's see like that. It's like a touch screen or a sensor. So nice. Don't play with it, crazy boy.
Hi guys. Today we're going to show you our new fan.
Yes, okay,
And even Hello Wonderlands.
Or okay, gonna. So how do you operate it? The simple one first, the fan. It's so easy. How do you do it? How do you do it? No, this one, the fan only. You just have to show properly.
Press it.
You don't even need to press it. Just put your finger. Oh, let me show it. Oh, it's oh, don't. How do you turn it on? Show. Yes. See, it's so easy. It's just like a touch screen, na, or like a sensor. Oh, so easy.
Now?
Okay, now if you want to make it more to be cooler, it's cooler in this side. You just open you just add water. Okay. Ay, see? Steaming.
And the eyes will come out like
Yeah, steam. Well, nice. Okay. It's very easy. Straighten the crazy boy. Now see? So cold. So nice, right? Yet because you turn it off. This is normal and this is with the fan. It's so easy. It's just like touch screen.
It looks like smoke.